Here's how you create these circle stickers with pictures and icons inside. And while you do that, just remember that if you have the Windows computer, if you hit the Windows and then the period, the dot key on your keyboard, you will get this emoji tab wherein you can choose any of these emojis within your designs as well. For example, this heart, which you can also change the color to red. And let me make the background a little different so you can see that. Okay, I'm going to break this design into pieces to show you from where I picked or got these designs. I got this shape, circle shape, first picked up, which can be converted into any other shape if you want, like here, but I prefer the circle to give that school sticker, or for the student and teachers this can be really attractive. So I'm going to get this. There's a way to write text within this, but I'm not going to write text here. I'm going to use a different text element to write inside. Write the text and click on effects, and in this you want to choose the curve option to curve the text and scroll down to adjust the curve a little bit more so that it fits inside the circle. You'll have to tweak the curve a little bit more so that it fits in perfectly inside. Then adjust the size of this so that it picks up and then stays intact within the circle. Instead of the mouse, you can use the keyboard arrows to get the precision effect to move even small micro nudges. Alright, once done, I'm going to search for, going to the elements and search for, I'm going to search for the star shape and then bring in a star. I'll pick this one. Then for the dinosaur, you can just type Canva dinosaurs without space, and you will find a lot of cute dinosaur stickers which are pre-made that you can add within your creation. Let me pick this one. Of course, you can change the colors the way you want. You can even change the color of the dinosaur if you want to. And then the process remains the same like how you saw for the creating the word stickers. Simply select all of these elements. Make sure, okay, let me reduce this. Make sure you group these together, and then on a new canvas, please download this as a PNG format. And then you know the drill. You want to add the outline first with the black color and then the white color. And that, my friends, is how you create custom stickers in Canva.